Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm technical help. So friends, in this video we will know that how to fix high contrast problem in Windows 10, and if your icon is displayed here black and white, how to fix it. Let's start the video. So first method is right click here on desktop, and after that click here personalize option. After that click on background option and select here high contrast setting. After that select here turn on high contrast, off it. So you can say here your problem is fixed. So I hope your problem is fixed. If your problem is fixed and resolved, please subscribe the channel, like or share the videos for more videos. Thank you so much.